All right, guys, we got a new one on the lot. We call this one the Rocky Balboa because this one will knock you out. The Rocky Balboa. Beautiful structure here, built by the Amish. We ship them nationwide. We can do this one on a trailer, or we can do it off a trailer. As you can see, this one is built on a trailer as a park model, RVIA certified. Again, what I love about this one is you got that beautiful board and batten kind of metal siding with that tongue and groove pine on the facing, and you see the ridge got the LED lights and all that on the roof. Isn't that pretty? I love this kind of Scandinavian Nordic look. The dimensions on this one is 13 by this one is 13 by, I think what they say it was 37. 13 by 37 I think is what this one is. Yeah, 13 by 37. And you can look at the exact dimensions on the website. And let me go ahead and take you inside this one real quick. I don't have a lot of time today because I got some customers coming to my lot to talk to me about a couple of things. So let's walk in here and show you this one real fast. So right when you walk in, again, you got them pretty dark floors. You got the white birch walls. That ain't sheetrock, y'all. That's real birch wood painted white. And then you got the dark ceiling, which I love, okay? I love that contrast where you got the black windows. By the way, these are Anderson windows, okay? Those are black Anderson windows. So you got like a little living room area here. There's your Bosch mini split, okay? And then you got one bedroom over here, okay? Which you can easily fit a twin or a full bed in here. Or you could do a bunk bed, like a twin bunk bed, or one of them bunk beds where you got the full size one on the bottom and then the twin on top. And again, you got your, look at this, got your pocket doors for privacy. Open those up and it opens up into your full kitchen. So you got your electric stove. Obviously, you got your refrigerator right over there. And you're ready to roll. Okay, so you're ready to roll there. You got some little shelving. Okay, we got some people here wanting to get in this one, so let me hurry up. Here in the bathroom, we haven't put the little thing on top of the commode yet. I still got the blue tape on it, so I'm getting ready to put that on there. But I was in a hurry to kind of film this for y'all real quick. There you go, you got your full shower here. I'm just doing a quick video. I'll do a more in-depth one later. Stackable, washer and dryer with more cabinet space up top. And then you got bedroom number 2, which is the master bedroom over here. Got your little fan. Again, I love all that lighting coming in. You got that shed roof. There's your other mini split with the remote control. All kinds of natural light coming in. Again, this is just a quick tour. I'll do a more in-depth tour later. But right now, I got people wanting to get in here to see this one. So let me get out of their way. I know y'all want to get in, so let me let y'all in real quick. Y'all go ahead. And this is what the outside looks like over here. All right, guys, we got another one on the lot. Let's make a quick video. Brand new one on the lot. This is the one I call the Carrot Top Junior. You guys have seen the Carrot Top Senior. This is the Carrot Top Junior. Junior is a 12 by 24 Amish built rustic cabin with a 6 by 24 porch. This one is just $35,000. Built by the Amish. We ship them nationwide. Look how cool this one is. You guys are used to seeing the ones where we do the lighter brown color. This one is more of like a blackish brown. They stain it black, but as it soaks into the wood, it kind of fades in a little bit and becomes more like a dark brown. It's got the black roof on it and the black shutters. Super cute. Again, just $35K for this one here. We call the Carrot Top Junior. Okay, built by the Amish. We ship it nationwide. What y'all think about this color? Isn't that cool? I think that looks super cool. Isn't that cool? Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Now, this particular model has something unique in it that you haven't seen in one of these before. So when we walk in, I'll show you what that is. It's like a little loft area with a ladder to go up to it for more storage, or potentially someone to stay up there. This is like secondary bedroom upstairs kind of thing. And again, this is built on skids. They're 10 foot off center. Beautiful day out here in Indiana, by the way. Where's my baby boomers and my Gen Xers at? Comment below. Y'all know I'm your 1979 cowboy. I like to see I got my Gen Xers and my baby boomers watching me, so I know it's not just the young bucks watching my channel. Where's my people at? Comment below, Gen X boomer. If you're a baby boomer or a Gen Xer, much love to you. This one again just arrived today, so I wanted to make a quick video of it and showing you all this brand new Carrot Top Junior. Again, 12 by 24. It's like a studio style cabin with a little loft up top. So I'm gonna show you, let's go inside. Again, to me, that porch kind of sets the precedence. Isn't that cool? Nice 6 foot by 24 foot covered porch. Let's take you inside. I really like this color. I haven't had one this color on my lot before. Before we walk inside, look to the left, look to the right. And you notice the Carrot Top had a more modern door on it. This one's got a rustic all wood door on it. So keep in mind that's an option as well. If you were gonna go with a wood door, you can do that as well. And go on inside and check this out. So when you walk inside, look to the left, open concept. It's like a studio, you know what I'm saying? You got your double pane, easy clean vinyl windows. And look how open it is. You got your beautiful knotty pine floors. And notice above me, there's a loft, okay? So you can set up the downstairs here as your living room area, right? And put a bed up top to go and sleep on, right? So you maximize the square footage, or you could have it set up where you got a bedroom down here and have a secondary bedroom upstairs if you got a couple of people that need to be, you know, have a spot to sleep. Look at the back of the door, isn't that cool? Got that rustic look. And you got your little kitchenette area over here where you put you a fridge, stove, put you a sink right here. There's your window, got your little cabinet, ready to roll. Isn't that pretty? Again, built by the Amish. We ship it nationwide. This is the one we call the Carrot Top Junior. 12 by 24, only $35,000. We ship it nationwide. Now let me show you how this ladder works. It's gonna be complicated to do it with me holding the phone, but basically, you see how it's sitting on that little ledge? It comes down off of that ledge like this. I'm doing it with one arm here, see? I'm gonna straighten it up, but I had to do that with one arm because I'm holding the phone. And then, it just kind of, let's see here. There we go. And it just locks up like that. And just like that, you got access to go up to your sleeping loft up on the second floor. Okay? So put you a, that looks like it could easily fit. Let me go up there and see what kind of size bed we can fit up there. Oh yeah, we could probably easily put, probably a full-size bed fit up there. Put you a full-size bed, or a twin, or a couple of twins. So, pretty cool setup. So again, that's how you access that. And remember too, we could always bring that loft out more. So let's say you wanted this, instead of it stopping right here, you wanted the Amish to bring it out more this way. So maybe you want to get a king size mattress up there, we can do that as well. Remember, these are all made to order. So it ain't no thing but a chicken wing for us to make modifications to make it fit whatever you're trying to get done. You know what I'm saying? So just keep that in mind when you order yours. We can customize it to kind of fit your needs, okay? So again, remember too, you can also order this one where it's fully turnkey, where it'll come with electric, plumbing, heating, cooling, tubs, toilets, and sinks. If you did that, you'd be more around the 55K range. If you ordered this one fully turnkey, move and ready, with all the electric, plumbing, heating, cooling, tubs, toilets, and sinks already in it. you'd be around the 55K range on this one here. Okay. All right, guys, let's say you're looking for a beautiful cabin, but you just want something that's only $45,000. This is the one we call the Carrot Top. Beautiful cabin. It's an all wood cabin with a tin roof, 26 gauge metal roof. You got your double pane vinyl windows, easy clean. This one here, like I said, has got the 6 foot by 28 foot front porch. It's a 14 by 28 livable. So with the porch open, you're 20 by 28 with the porch open. It's just a simple little cabin. Let me show you inside real quick. Like I said, this one's only $45,000, so it don't take but a second to walk through it here. Open up the front door, and bam, straight ahead, you got your kitchen, the old kitchenette area there. Really nice size open concept living room. You got them beams up there, isn't that pretty? Got them beautiful knotty pine floors, and then when you turn around this way and look over that way, you got your little bedroom there, which we can frame that out if you want us to close it off. You got a storage nook up top there, like a loft. That's where your bathroom's gonna go, and then you got a little nook over here where you put your little closet. So again, this one is only $45,000 as is. Let me step back so you can see it in all its glory. It's called the Carrot Top. Very popular cabin. Again, just $45,000 as is, or you can go smaller. We can do different sizes, but this one here is a 14 by 28, like I said, just like you see it, for 45 grand, or we can put electric, plumbing, heating, cooling, tubs, toilets, and sinks in, make it turnkey for $60,000. Give us a call today, 812-595-4033. That's 812-595-4033. Getting beautiful cabinets. And this is the one we got called the Carrot Top. Okay, this is just a little walkthrough video. Let me show you the outside of it again real quick. And then I know y'all are busy, so I'll let y'all go after this. Here you go. It's got a 26 gauge metal roof on it. We call it Carrot Top because it got an orange roof on it. This one is available for sale off the lot. 45 grand, let's get it done, plus shipping and setup. Or we can do one custom for you. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Y'all have a blessed day. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button, hit the like, share, and follow. Appreciate you watching my content. Link is in the bio. We are AmishBuiltCabins.com.